This video review is based on price, quality, performance, warranty, brand trust, after sales and service, reusability, familiarity and easy to operate. The Panasonic is a dedicated call block machine. This call blocker has an advanced bilingual talking caller ID that allows the user to hear the caller name by announcement in English and Spanish. This device stops up to 16,000 unwanted numbers with an included pre-programmed database of 14,000 instantly blocked robocaller numbers. While you can easily add additional 2,000 unwanted numbers manually to the block list. This call blocker can store up to 100 numbers of friends, family and others. The Panasonic call blocker comes with a 2.5-inch white backlight display and has a color LED besides the display. The bright white, easy-to-read backlit LCD clearly shows caller names and numbers, while the LED blinks green when unit receives trusted number calls and red when robocallers call. The big red call block button is located on the top of the unit. At the touch of a button, the unwanted caller's number is logged into the unit's memory, the call will hang up and the number blocked permanently. Build your own block list. For numbers you do want blocked, you can easily create a block list of your own. When an unknown number is received and displayed, simply press the big red block call button on the machine to register that number, and block it permanently, even while the phone is still ringing. Kindly see the description for this product link. Thanks for watching. Kindly like and subscribe.